If you work with asbestos, you have to wear personal protective equipment. And that consists of a asbestos-proof suit. So the material has got to be such that it's resistant to asbestos fibers. And these all are. The ones that are sold properly are. You don't want to have a painter's suit. I mean, if you can see your clothes through it, it's not the right suit. So it has to be something that's going to be fairly opaque. And they have a hood on them with an elastic. And you may have elastic on the sleeves and on the ankles. And some of them even have boots attached, which is nice. And it will keep the asbestos fibers off your clothes or off your body, depending upon whether you're wearing any clothes under the suit or not. And if you're doing high-risk work and you're going through a shower, you're not wearing any clothes under these things. For moderate risk work, you'll wear clothes underneath these things, so you want to make sure you're not getting asbestos fibers on your clothes. With these suits, you'll often see the contractors duct taping wrists and ankles. It'll certainly stop any asbestos fibers from getting in under the edge of the suit, but it also helps keep the suit in one place because it's a single-piece garment, and if you're bending over and stuff like that, the legs will ride up, the arms will ride up, and it'll prevent that from happening. Especially in high-risk work, it's important to wear the right size. Better to go big than too small on these things.